Hi there, my gorgeous people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jay Makori. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for the love you've shown me. We're growing and I'm really glad and happy for that. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple, easy tutorial on how to use your concealer as your lipstick. So let's jump into the video. So in this video, you're going to need your David's eye pencil, your LA concealer. For my case, I'm using in the shade Fawn, and your lip gloss. You start by lining your lips using the David's eye pencil, and it is number 3. Then after lining, blend in, and by blending in I mean just do this. So you're blending to remove that harsh line. Then next, go in with your concealer, and for my concealer I'm using LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. So you put your concealer on your palm, and using the concealer brush, just tap it in and apply. So with this, you're just concentrating in the middle part, like you don't concentrate much on the area that you'd already lined with the eye pencil. I do the same to the upper lip. Then blend in. These concealers tend to dry so fast, so you can go in with your finger. I can add more concealer with my finger. So just blend. The next, I'm going in with my lip gloss, and I'm using the Anash lip gloss. It's colorless, number 301. It looks like that. So I'll just apply the lip gloss on top. That is it. As simple and easy and fast. Look at my lips, they look so glossy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let me know if you tried this tutorial in the comment section. Let's interact. Love you all.